So I'm back as you all are requesting me keep making some food recipes. So another very quick recipe with a corn, and I just promised to my dear friend Sneha that I'm gonna do this another version of butter chili garlic corn in my style. So I'm gonna make a Szechuan style corn. So let's give it a quick ingredient thing. What we're gonna use. So I'm gonna use some spring onions, some ginger, some onions, some capsicum, some chilies, and I'm gonna chop some garlic, which is there. So I will start chopping it. In the meantime, let me on the gas, and I'm gonna use couple of butter, some olive oil, some ghee, and so by the time my pan gets hot, let me chop this. It's a very easy quick recipe. I have some boiled corns. I'm using a little ketchup, uh, and I'm gonna use a Szechuan sauce from Spicy. I have lying at my home. So this is, but as it is butter, chili, garlic. So spices comes from the green chili and the Szechuan, which I have. I'm gonna touch it with the little bit of ketchup. And so yeah, here's the ketchup. My pan is hot. Okay, let's start cooking it. So my first step, let's put some olive oil and some ghee. Pan is nice hot. It helps it, and definitely a lot of butter. So my first step, I'm gonna put the garlic, ginger, and chili, and give it a nice quick stir. Okay, yeah, getting faster, quick. So next step is gonna be onions. I want the onions, capsicums to be nice crunchy. तो हमें ज़्यादा पकाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसको हम फटाफट टॉप कर लेंगे. और कॉर्न हमारे अच्छे तरीके से सॉल्टेड वाटर में मैंने बॉईल करके रख लिया है. Okay. So yeah. Now I'm gonna do is do the seasoning, some ketchup, some sauce. Basic ingredients are there: onion, ginger, garlic, chili. So now I'm gonna do is a little ketchup, a little seasoning, salt, and now it's time to bring the corns. And my spring onion. This will be a nice version because generally you can make this crispy corns at home with the corn flour and fry it out. But I want to keep it a little more healthy, keeping it nice stir-fried corns. It's a nice thing you can eat anytime. You want to have it in breakfast, evening snacks. You can have it anytime. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. And now I'm gonna use a little bit of spicy Szechuan sauce. I've added 2 spoons and I'm gonna toss it. That's it. Just give it a nice stir. Spicy, so it's a nice my version of butter chili garlic which you are watching. A quick one. Nice, all the vegetables would have a nice crust. It has got a nice color. So I'm gonna now plate it up. See the very nice color, crunchiness. Okay, ready? Switch it off the gas and let's bring it in a bowl now. You can garnish with any of the greens like herbs or thing. I've already added spring onion and all. So this is gonna be my uh, Szechuan style butter chili garlic prawns. It's only for Sneha. As you requested, this is my version. So thank you guys. Another very quick recipe. Please make this recipe and let me know how do you like it. I will be more happy to share some more quick recipes from my home. And thank you so much. And be safe, stay safe. And till then, sayonara.